like so happy right now. Like I could actually cry, and I'm not kidding. Like what?
Now. พี่เจเวนี่ผมว่ารัสเซียอยู่เหนือไม่ได้แล้วเฮ้ยผมไปเชียงรายมาปีนึง
Look at their bucket. Look at mine. I got jacked for my bananas 3 seconds. Y'all, he took all of my bananas before I could even feed him. Oh shit. Guys, the elephants were everything I dreamed of and more. Like, the scenery is breathtaking out here. These creatures are like beautiful and so like majestic and gentle. It was such a great experience. It was worth every penny and then some. I think I would have paid like literally double. I would have paid double what we paid to do this. Like, it was amazeballs. Amazeballs. Excited to try this pad thai. How is it, Noelle? 5 pumpkin butts. They have big butts.
That was worth this trip in itself.
We are back. We have freshened up again. I'm telling you, if you travel to, literally, if you travel to Thailand, be prepared to take a minimum. And if you're like, you know, actively doing things and excursions and whatnot, be prepared to take at least 3 showers a day. Like, it's been a lot. But we have freshened up and we are about to go scuba diving. I know you're like, why did you like do a baby beat on your face? But you know, I gotta get some pics in the fit. And then I don't care what I look like for the rest of the day, honestly. Like, don't care at all. So we're gonna go scuba diving. I have made the executive decision to leave my camera here because it's gonna be beach, sand, water. I don't want to like risk messing up this camera. So I will fill in the gaps with iPhone video when I see fit. I will see you guys at the beach. Good morning. Guys, I didn't properly end the vlog yesterday. We went to hang out with elephants, then we went snorkeling, and we went scuba diving, and we were like exhausted to the point where I think we got home at like, what time did we get home last night? I want to say like 7:20. I had taken the quickest shower of my life and I was in the bed by 7:30. We slept 12 hours. We slept half a day. So I went to sleep at like 7:30 and we officially woke up at like 8. I woke up for like an hour, played on my phone, and went back to sleep. I slept for 12 hours. It was so needed. It felt so good, and we are ready to conquer day 4. Oh, oops. Hi. We are about to head to the pool. Say goodbye to Mecca.
Bye, Wait, alright, do it again.
Okay. Part 2. Say goodbye to Mecca.
Oh, bye.
I thought it was gonna be better.
That's the worst thing I ever heard.
The fact that she sings like an angel, I was so thoroughly disappointed. One more time. All right. Bye, Mecca.
Bye. I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. Let's go.
Okay. Check you babes later.
Good
morning, everybody. So today is a bittersweet day. It is our last day in Thailand. It was such a wonderful trip. I loved it. It was amazing. And I'm so sad to leave. We are going to make the most of our last day, though. It is currently like 7:40 right now, and I should have been downstairs like 10 minutes ago because I want to get breakfast before our shuttle gets here. But we are going island hopping today. I've got my bathing suits in my okay? Got my bathing suits in my bag, and I'm about to go get, my makeup looks like super strong and it's not. I don't know what's happening. Anyway, yeah, I got my bathing suits in my bag for all the islands that we go to. I'm gonna go downstairs, get breakfast, wait for the shuttle, and then later on today, I know we're like super pressing it because I think our shuttle gets here for like 8 or 9. We're gonna like haul ass back here after island hopping. I'm gonna take a quick shower, and I'm getting a tattoo. The tattoo is really like my souvenir, so I'm excited for it. I've been wanting this tattoo for like 2 years now, and I'm finally gonna get it. Like, what better place than Thailand? So yeah, once again, I've made the executive decision to leave my camera, but I will fill in the gaps with a little bit of 8+ quality situation. And if Noelle brings her camera, we'll try and fill in the gaps there as well. How sad, my bag's all packed. We are officially on our speedboat, and we are headed to our first island. And we don't know what the first island is because we couldn't hear. But we do know one important thing, and that this is boat 8. So when you hear boat 8, start heading to... I didn't even hear that much. Oh, okay, well I heard it. When we hear boat 8, we need to start heading towards our boat because we're gonna hop islands. See you at the first one. Oh, show them the chips. They're so interesting.
I like them a lot.
They taste like, I don't know, almost kind of like seafoody. Guys, we have finally made it to our first beach. It is so beautiful. We met friends. Our other friend is with Noelle taking pictures on the rocks. And look at these pretty drinks. Look how pretty. It's so hot, y'all. But it's so pretty out here. We're under a deck right now for shade. It's so nice. I'm literally so happy right now. That was like the best Mai Tai ever, and I don't like Mai Tais because they're like so sweet, but that one was so good. Yes, beach, catch the lights. Look at our friends. Say hello. Video.
Ah, it's a video.
We could try to stop this, postpone the heartache, but I bet your body disagree. Cause you keep coming home to me, my eyes are glued to my phone, trying to read your signals, but you say you wanna be alone, oh no. But the pain in your body leaves me otherwise, and I can't keep feeling you alive, but I know, yeah I know, that the pain in your body bleeding on so high, and I can't keep trying to deny, but I know, and you know.
We are literally in like a tree house right now. Whoa, shit. I'm sunburned. Yes, my Caucasian coming out. But let me show you guys how freaking pretty this is. And this tree house is so cute. It's like actually a bar slash restaurant, but it's beautiful. This is my last time saying it, but I am so sunburnt, okay? So we are back at the room. We are all packed and ready to go. That's my outfit for the airport. How weird is it that I'm like in like summer clothes and like about to switch to winter clothes? But we are all packed up. We are about to go get my tattoo. It is 6:20. Our pickup time from our airport is 8:15, so we're like cutting it close. We are super ignorant because I made an appointment at 1 o'clock today, but then we decided to do an excursion last minute last night, but we didn't have a way to contact them. So I'm basically going to the tattoo shop and hoping they will take me. I love it! I can't even see, my neck hurts, but it looks cute.
Beautiful.
That literally took like 5 minutes.
Girl, it's so good.
Yeah.
So good. Yay! Thank you guys.
I love it.
Oh my god. Alright, let me take a picture.
Y'all, I just went from so happy to so sad to happy again. I'll explain later, but can we just look at this bike that we're about to get a sweet ride on? We'll have to catch you up. It's been a journey. Okay, we need to hurry up though.
Oh my god.
Y'all thought I was gonna be ugly until New Year's Eve. I was down last night, but I'm back. Canceled all my cords, reordered them. I'm back in the game. We are in China. We landed super duper early. We landed around like 5:30 a.m. and we have done absolutely nothing. We were super tired. We got breakfast and we literally hung out. I really want to show y'all what we did, but oh, you can actually see in the reflection what we got going on. So this is our curtain here. We are in a restaurant that we have literally made into a hostel. Like, it has like 2 couches and we literally like camped out, spread out, all the above. We just did our makeup. We had like pillows, blankets. We took a nap. And they haven't told us anything. We've been here for a couple hours now. We've been here a couple hours. But I think we are going to go, I think we're gonna go try and see the Great Wall of China. If not, I'm hungry, so I'm ready for some food, maybe a drink. I'm still on vacation. Yeah. Bitch. We're back.
Proud mama.
We are back. Like we never left.
Cause we didn't.
Because we didn't leave.
It's so fucking cold though. May as well have.
It's really cold in this airport. We tried to leave, but we didn't have enough time to make it. in time to get back. So we just had lunch and we are about to go and get some drinks. And we're just gonna get litty.
We're gonna get a bottle.
We're gonna get a bottle. And we're gonna get litty. Litty titties.
Still my birthday. Oh, still my birthday. Still my birthday. Still my birthday.
Okay. We are officially back in America. I'm in LA right now. I'm back in Noelle's apartment. I'm gonna give you a quick, really quick condensed version of the last 24 hours because truthfully I don't know if any of that other footage that I filmed is gonna go up, simply because I look like I got beaten. Like I just looked so horrible and sunburned and scary. Basically, after we got home from our day excursions on our last day, like going island hopping, I showered really quickly, got ready, and we hauled ass to go get my tattoo done. We found a random taxi, got in the taxi, rushed out of the taxi. In doing so, I left my entire wallet, my ID, my credit card, my debit card, everything. Whatever, got a wonderful tattoo, a very nice price tattoo. Got over it, just canceled all my cards, reordered everything. I'm fine. Fast forward 18 hours later of traveling, we get back to LA and Air China lost my bags. So I was very upset about it. I had a bitch fit in the airport because one, a lot of my clothes in there were new, but two, all of my souvenirs from the trip were in there, and that's things that I can't replace. So very upset about it, but you know, fingers crossed that they find everything. If not, I'm sure that'll be a whole other video. But it is New Year's Eve. We are in LA and it is 7:42. I look like this. We are going to eat and figure out if we are going to...
I think it's gonna be a no. I'm feeling a no. I can't even find my phone. I have sores on my feet.
So we're gonna figure out if we're going out or not, or if we're gonna go have drinks somewhere. I'm not necessarily feeling the club, but I do want to celebrate the new year because this year has been phenomenal. This trip was phenomenal, minus the last 24 hours. It's leaving a bad taste in my mouth, but overall the trip was absolutely amazing. Thailand was great. 2019, I just want more stamps on my passport, and this was a great trip. How do you feel?
I feel great. I'm excited that we brought it in this way. I hate that, you know, we just had some negativity, but it's all good. Life is good. 2019 is going to be amazing.
The great thing about it is I had, like, all of the cards and stuff can be replaced. I've got my phone. I've got my camera with all my pictures and memories and footage. It's just, like, my souvenirs and, like, my brand new clothes that I've never worn. But
could have been a lot worse.
It's fine. I'm alive. That's the important thing. We went to 2 different countries and returned home safely. So that's a wrap on our Thailand and China trip, and I'm going back to Atlanta tomorrow, and life goes on. If you guys like this video and you want to see more vlogs and adventure type things, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss anything. Bye!